Hope you like that little ASMR experiment. By the way, just you have to know that power adapter is not included. You have to buy separately from your local hardware store. Next, I'm going to show you how to set up your gadget. First, make sure you plug in your power cable. And next is you're going to need two separate cords. One which you're going to use to put in your amplifier, and the other one is the one that goes into your guitar. So make sure guys you have an additional another cable that you're going to use. This time I'm going to show you how to use the equipment according to the instructions in the manual. So make sure you disinfect your feet in order not to expose the equipment from any unwanted viruses. So make sure you perform your toe exercises and avoid any spasm and sprains. Alright, so let's start the equipment. Teka lang ha. Oops, teka, wait! In this modern age, we have to be a little bit sophisticated. So kailangan magsuot ng konting footwear. There you go, a lot better. Yeah, very lot better. Okay, so the first press, it would give you an indication of a red LED light, meaning it's already recording. The second press would mean it's already playing back the first loop that you just recently recorded. If you press it once again, this is now the overdub, meaning yung first recording mo, papatungan niya ng second set of recording. If you press it on the fourth time, it will play the recorded session, yung dalawa, same time. If you press it twice, it will stop the whole loop. And if you press it twice with the prolong sa pangalawa, it would erase the whole recording. So the equipment comes with 9 channels. For each channel, it's up to you to decide kung gusto mo bang per channel is a different song or per channel is per genre. So it's up to you kung anong gusto mong ilagay, but as long as there is an available channel, you can put as many as you like. By pressing the 2 buttons, you may able to convert your gadget into a tuner. So you can identify immediately whether your note is flat or sharp. Alright, time to rock and roll. let's begin. So, I have my pick with me. At subukan natin. Let's try. First try. So, nakatono na yung gitara ko and I think I'm ready. So, I'm going to show you a first loop na gagawin ko. Very simple lang to, nothing fancy, no? So, this is a song, one of the favorite ng kapatid ko. Actually, my eldest brother, si Gerardo Gonzalez or Kuya Jerry. Favorite niya to nung kabataan namin. And when he was still in high school, ako naman, I think I was not even studying yet. So, lagi ko itong naririnig sa bahay. So, parang it rings a bell sa utak ko. And naisip ko itong tugtugin ko. So, it goes like this. Ito yung unang loop, bale. Ililoop ko yung song, okay? So, it goes like this. Yan, naglo-loop na yan. Okay? Sorry, hindi ganun ka-perfect yung pagkaka-loop ko kasi I'm doing this for a vlog naman, di ba? Hindi naman ako professional musician. Pero, ito yung kagandahan yan. Kapag naka-loop na siya, pwede nyo nang patungan ngayon ng ibang piece ng kanta para makompleto nyo. So, tingnan nyo. Welcome to my side. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my only everybody wants a view. Okay, so okay. Like I said, hindi ganun ka-perfect kasi hindi naman ako ganun ka-professional, no? So, but a point is, that's what a looper does. So, niloloop niya yung isang part ng tugtog na gagawin mo sa gitara mo para pwede mong patungan later on ng another set. Okay, so this is another loop na gagawin ko. This song is around in the 90s, around 96, 97, I think. So, if you are very fond of those music around those years, malala nyo kung ano itong kakantayin ko sunod. Tutugtog ko pala sunod. Alright, so I'm going to make my first loop. Familiar? Yeah, I know, right? So papatungan ko ngayon because naka-loop na siya. So, one more. Yeah. Last and third song na ilulup ko para ma-appreciate nyo. Gagawin ko naman ngayon, I'm going to loop yung rhythm, then papasukan ko ng on a live naman na plucking. Kanina kasi baligtad, di ba? Ang ginagawa ko, inuuna ko yung mga plucking, tapos susunod ko lang yung strum. Ngayon naman baligtad, strum ang aking ilulup. So this is a song from the 90s din. It's from a Filipino band. And hindi ko sasabihin muna kung anong banda para may konting surprise. So I'll start it muna with a loop ng kanyang rhythm. Okay, so memorize ko lang muna yung piece. Okay, I got it. Alright, start. Alright, so hindi, wait. Shh. hindi ko natatapusin. Kasi actually, this is just quite new to me, ang looper. Kaya ngayon ko lang din siya pa pinapag-practicean. But what I can say, I'm really happy with this equipment. So, ginanahan ako eh. So, I'll give you one more song. May naalala kong isang song magandang i-loop. Okay? So, stand by. My fourth and final loop. Okay, so this fourth and final song ko, this is made by a European band. And I think it's also in the 90s. Di ako masisi. I'm an 80s kid, so nag-start ako maging mahilig sa music. It goes with MTV during those years. Kaya yun yung mga naalala ko talaga. Okay, anyway, enough with that. I'll start my first loop. Balik ako sa plucking na loop, okay? Napapatungan ko na naman ng bass naman ngayon. Bale, plucking muna na strings, then bass ako pag pumatong. Alright, first set ng loop. Okay, that's the loop. Papatungan ko ngayon. Okay, but anyway, that's not the point kung gano'n ako galing gumitara, okay? Ang point lang dito is I'm trying to make a review about the product, which is the LEKATO Looper Pro. So, I think magugustuhan nyo siya, guys, lalo kung mahilig kayo mag-gitara and one-man army kayo, kasi kung wala talaga kayong ka-bandmates ngayon na makakasama, and that's quite difficult because of the pandemic, this is a good equipment para makapag-play kayo at makompleto nyo yung pyesa kahit na one-man army ka nga lang, okay? So, I really hope you like it. I forgot to mention, the looper actually has a overdub na tinatawag. So, when you say overdub, papatungan niya yung unang loop mo ng another loop. Tapos, i-combine niya into one. So, di ba yung last na ginawa ko was the U2 na song. So, pinatungan ko yung plucking na ting, 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 ting. Pinatungan ko ng bass. So, ngayon, pinagsama ko siya because I use the overdub, meaning one loop, pinatungan mo ng another loop. So, pag pinlay ko siya, magkasabay sila. So, as you can see, wala na akong hinahawakan, okay? Ipi-play ko siya. Listen. So, pwede na ako kumanta. Parang video ka na. See the fire in your eyes. See the tones in your eyes. I will without you. Without you, oh no, I can't live with or without you. With or without you. With or without you. Mga pinaggagawa ko para lang mag-YouTube. Lakas nyo sa akin eh! God! I did hope you liked the LEKATO Looper Pedal review, tutorial, and demo. If ever po, pwede nyo siyang gawing regalo sa mga loved ones yung mahilig mag-gitara. If you enjoyed this video, please do care to like, subscribe, and press the bell button po para mapag-ready po kayo ng mga next vlogs ko in the coming future. By the way, just to mention, I bought this LEKATO Looper Pedal gadget at Amazon for $60, and I would like to thank my brother Deo Gonzalez Jr. for helping me bought this abroad. Till then, guys, I love you all for watching. Ciao!